Anthropological genetics is a study of the history of human genetic variation in the past and present. Right now, we live in a new era of genomics, and anthropological genetics is a part of that future. Previously, the greatest barrier to genomic data was cost, but now the cost of sequencing a human genome is about $600. Because of this low cost, there are now tens of thousands of sequenced human genomes, including thousands of ancient human genomes. The new barrier for geneticists is how to analyze this vast amount of data. But computers are also more powerful than ever, so the abundance of data has been met with brand new analysis tools that can be used to understand demographic histories of human populations and the evolutionary history of the human species. These high-power computational methods apply old mathematical theory in new ways, including likelihood and Bayesian methods, machine learning techniques, and a vast array of coalescent population simulators.
By using these methods, you can analyze data in new and exciting ways to learn more about the history of populations and individuals, even with limited amounts of sequenced data. Improved computational power means that you can analyze larger data sets or more complex population histories easily. One downside to these methods, however, is that they can often seem unapproachable, especially for those with limited computational experience. In this review, we aim to explain how these computational methods work and things to consider when applying them to different anthropological questions. These considerations include how to choose a method that fits your data and limitations of these methods. We share examples of computational tools that are out there and how some of them have already been applied to anthropological genetics. Maybe it will inspire you to try out these new tools in your own research.